Hi beautiful people, my name is Peace Brown. Welcome to my channel. This look is my everyday look. It's very simple and very cute. If you would like to see how I achieve this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so I went ahead and I did my brows off camera just to save time. I'm gonna have a detailed video on how I achieve my brows. Right now I'm just going in and blending it out and just making sure everything is nice and neat. And then I'm just gonna go in with my LA Pro concealer in the shade Toffee. And I'm just gonna apply that all over my lids and blend it in really well before I put on my shadow. And then the shadow I'm gonna be using is from the Juvia Place palette. It's called Saharan. It's the second one. And the shade I'm using on my eyes today is called Fizz. And for this look, I'm only using one shade. I'm not putting any other shade on there. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that all over my lids. Blend it really, really well. And this look is very easy and simple. And it's good for beginners. If you're just learning how to put on eyeshadow, you can definitely do this with ease. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it all over. You just gotta really, really blend if you want your makeup to look really nice and neat. Okay, I went ahead and I did my lashes off camera. The foundation I use is the MAC Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation. And then I mixed that with the Fenty Beauty foundation in 480. And then I mix those two together and blend it all over my face. And then with your foundation too, is all about blending. You really, really got to blend that in really well and make sure you don't miss a spot. You just make sure everything is on there really nice and neat. And when you have products on your brush, you don't want to like rub it in too much. I know it looks like I'm rubbing it in, but it's more of a like in a circular motion, and just dab it on. Make sure that you're getting your foundation on your skin instead of in the brush. So I'm gonna go back in with the LA Pro concealer that I use on my eyelids. I'm gonna conceal under my eyes, my forehead, the bridge of my nose, my chin. And I'm just gonna use my big blending brush to go ahead and blend that in really well. Again, you wanna dab it in and just make sure you're keeping the product on your skin instead of in the brush. And you really wanna blend out your concealer really well too. Okay, so I used the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in 380 to contour my face. And I'm using a different blending brush to go ahead and blend that out. So I'm gonna go in with the Airspun Loose Face powder to set my concealer in place. And this is very inexpensive. I got it at Walmart for like $6. And it works very well. It doesn't have any flashbacks or anything. So I'm just gonna go back in with the shade that I used on my eyelid, and I'm just gonna use that to set my contour in. Okay, for highlight, I'm gonna be using the golden bronzer from MAC. Okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead and take a black brow pencil, and I'm just gonna outline my lips with that, and just use my finger to blend it in. And the reason I use black is because I feel like it shows more on my lips. And then I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty lip gloss, and I'm just gonna apply that all over my lips. I'm just gonna add some mascara to my lashes, my top and bottom lashes. And there you have it.
Coke bottle with the body, oh, coke bottle with the body. Pistol with the body.